on that ad, the client has to pay some amount to the Google. So we are calling these PPC ads are called pay-per-click ads. This pay-per-click is an internet advertising model which can be used to direct traffic to your websites. I will tell that this is a pay-per-click. The client has to pay an amount when the ad is clicked. The benefits with PPC are is a small initial investment, defining budget, high ROI, we can target traffic, we can test marketing campaigns, instant traffic, we can track success, we can target ads locally, suggested high volume keywords, improves hands-on experience. Small initial investment. This is the major reason why the Google AdWords are so popular. We are going to invest our amount with a small. We are going to define our budget. After defining the budget, we are going to bid on the keywords. We can bid high amount on the keywords which are performing good, and we are going to bid low amount which are performing not good. If performance is not good, we are going to low bid amount. Next, high ROI, return on investment. In this PPC, we all know what amount we are spending and what we are getting. We can target traffic. With good ads, we can target the traffic with good ad copy. We can test marketing campaigns. In the campaigns, we are creating the ad groups, then keywords and ads. In these ads, we can come to know which ads are performing good and which ads are performing bad. Then we can change either ad copy, to get the better results. Instant traffic. This instant traffic includes a high investment. If you want to get instant traffic immediately when we place our ad, we have to invest more amount. We can track our success, which from campaign to keywords, we can track success, how the ads are performing. We can target ads locally. We can set a location. In that particular location, we can track how the ads are performing. This PPC suggests high volume keywords. We can maintain a large number of keywords which satisfies the user. It improves hands-on experience. With good website, with good ad copy, the user can click the ad copy, which improves the business of the client. Next, the importance of PPC metrics. Each and every PPC metric is used to evaluate the performance of keywords, ad groups, ad copy, and the entire campaign. The available metrics are clicks, impressions, click-through rate, cost per click, cost, conversion, conversion rate, cost per conversion, CPM, and ROI. If anyone is looking for brand awareness, then they can go for clicks and impressions. Now we can measure this CTR with these clicks and impressions. How often our ads are shown versus how often our ads are clicked. We can calculate the CTR. CTR vary throughout the month, throughout the week, throughout the day. This CTR is an indicator of how well our ads are performing. Higher CTR indicates that our ad copy is good. Lower CTR indicates that our ad copy is not good. Next, CPC is the average amount that we are paying for each click. This CPC is based on the competitiveness of keywords that we are using in our campaign. Yeah, conversion. The conversion, if the user clicks on that ad, if he takes any action, either login or he can purchase or clicked on an email or signed in. These are all comes under conversion. With this conversion rate, using this method, we can determine the effectiveness of our landing page. If the user enters into the landing page, he comes to know, okay, our ad copy is which will give him a better result. This conversion rate will tell you exactly how many clicks are turning into conversions, whether at the account campaign, ad group, keyword, and ad copies. If you are getting a lot of clicks, but we are not getting a conversion, then we have to update our landing pages. This CTA is calculated with conversion, cost by conversions, The ROI is a database analyzer overall profitability of a campaigns. Next, importance of keyword match types. These keywords are the one communication medium between the user and the search engine. So,
and the client.
Sir?
User and the client.
Client.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the search engine, we are maintaining, so we are the client.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, we are generating the keywords. One way is keyword planner, and another way is by using campaign seed keyword generation.
Okay.
In the campaign seed keyword generation, we are collecting the minimum number of keywords by understanding the website and with Google Instant Results and with some planner tool
SEO
and
meta
tags.
Yes.
We are getting some keywords with this seed keyword generation.
Perfect.
And each and every keyword we are going to specify a match type.
Yes.
The available match types are broad, phrase, exact, negative and broad modifier.
Perfect.
Next with broad, it is an important keyword match type. Why? Because it reaches the widest audience. We can get more number of audience to this broad match type keyword. With this broad match, we specify a particular keyword as a broad match for similar and close variations, synonyms and plurals or ad copy will be displayed. Yeah, this is a default match type. We don't need to specify the particular area, like we are specifying for phrase, quotations, bracket. For broad, it is a default match type for a particular keyword. Punctuation.
Okay.
With this broad, we have some disadvantages. Sometimes for this keyword, irrelevant ad copy may also show. In such cases, we have to put a negative. We have to use a negative match type.
Yes, perfect.
Bidding on the broad match keywords can give the highest number of impressions while matching on the widest range of queries.
Next.
Phrase match type. For this phrase match type, ad copy will be displayed. If sequence must be considered in the user's query, whatever the sequence that we have maintained in our keyword list.
Perfect.
Ad copy will be triggered if additional terms can be added before or after the query. Phrase match type is useful because it still gets you a somewhat broad reach but allows you to be more specific. Here we have to maintain a specific keyword which might reach the audience. With exact match keyword will allow only whatever the exact keyword that we have specified, it might be used by the user.
Yeah.
Exact match keywords are the most targeted. We have to be very careful when we are keeping the keyword as an exact. It's more targeted keyword. Is so reliable. Yeah, broad match modifier. Modifier. We can specify a modifier keyword with a plus sign. If you use a modifier sign in a keyword, if the user query contains this modified keyword, ad copy will be shown. Same for broad match, plurals, misspellings, synonyms. It allows you to be more targeted with broad match keywords. This broad match modifier increases our CTR and conversion rates by showing more relevant ads. Negative match type. If you should not want to show an ad copy for this particular keyword, then we can maintain this keyword as
negative.
Negative.
By putting a minus sign.
Minus sign.
Okay.
We can use negative match type in conjunction with some other match types. Yes. Importance of campaign structuring. The basic structure of an account is account. Account contains campaigns and account settings. Then campaigns contains ad groups and ad group specific settings. Then ad group contains ads, keywords and ad group specific settings. Yeah, what's a campaign? A component of your account that allows you to focus your advertising on which main we can focus on while developing a campaign structure. First, we are going to target audience. Before that, we come to know what is the product and services that is offered by a particular company. Then ad group. Ad group which contains a collection of ads and collection of keywords and ad copies. Yeah, keywords. This is one communication medium for the user. This is success of a campaign. Account campaigns, ad groups and
Keyword tag.
assets and keywords. The more specific that we make our campaign structure, the more relevant our ads will be and the better our quality score will be. The better our quality score, then we can get discount you receive on your advertising.
Yes.
Yeah, with this campaign structure we come to know, we are segregating here different ad groups. Then we come to know which ad groups are performing good, which ad groups are not performing, which keywords are relevant to that ad group, which keywords are not. Yeah, each and every ad group should have a common theme for a particular product or a service. This makes it simpler to create focused and effective keywords and ads. Through the ad group only we are generating the keywords and ads. If it is a specific for a particular product, then we can generate a specific keywords for that ad group. Importance of keyword planner tool. With this keyword planner tool, we can make our list of keywords, minimum list of keywords to select maximum.
Yeah. Okay.
We can help.
You got half kilo? Okay.
We can target
1 second.
keywords based on geographical location and language.